Guess what time it is?
Boredom at the car wash again, yo. Welcome back to the series. It's episode 4 of Boredom at the car wash. Oh yes, Boredom at the car wash. The most majestic thing ever. Boredom at the car wash. There's my dad, washing the car again. Hello, Dad. Why must I make another one? Why can't the tragedy just end? Why is it so important that this channel needs Boredom at the car wash? Really, bro? Really? Really, bro? Really? Yeah, really, bro. So much washing right now is happening that I can't even see out the windshield. What the heck? Oh, there we go. Some little splashes to make the car clean. Splashes. More splashes. Just splashes everywhere. I thought Boredom at the car wash was over after 3 because it sucked. But then this happened. And it's back again. Like, why is it back again? What is wrong with me? So, are you guys happy that Boredom at the car wash is back again? Yeah? I'm glad. I miss Boredom at the car wash. Well, the first 2 episodes anyway. Forget about the 3rd one, it sucked. Nobody remembers the 3rd one. Don't watch it, it sucked. I'm not lying. You're gonna regret watching it. What's up, man? How you doing? You doing good? Yo, I'm a thug. I'm a thug, yo. Yep. Soaping up the car with a mop looking thing. Now the car's soapy. That's just the best. More soaps on my windows. Don't need no more soaps. The soaps are fine. Oh, soaps are everywhere.
Now listen closely. Here's a little lesson in trickery. This is going down in history. If you wanna be a villain #1, you have to chase a superhero on the run. Just follow my moves and sneak around. Be careful not to make a sound. No, don't touch that.